Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design flange pipe housing like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks. For units, we use millimeter units. So ensure select in millimeter gram second. And we can see again for drawing this part. Here is section view from front view, top view, and here right view or side view. Now we can start draw from front view in here. So right click on front plane, just click sketch. Draw two circle diameter in 60 and 80 from the center. First circle diameter in 60 millimeter and second circle in 80 millimeter. So just select feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in mid plane for symmetry part. You can see in here the total length here in 76 plus minus 0.5. So we can to make total length in 76 millimeter. So in here in 76 millimeter. Click OK. Now here have a flange here. So right click on this face, just click sketch. We can to convert entities for this circle, for this edge. Click OK. Now we can draw center rectangle from this center. Here have same side in here, 90 and 90. So some length. Here is square. So just click this line, click Ctrl and select this line, click make equal. Then we can just to make length here in 90 millimeter. After that, we can select feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in blind. Reverse direction to here. Thickness in here in 12 millimeter. So input here in 12 millimeter. Click OK. Now we can to mirror this flange with mirror and feature the mirror. Just click boss extrude to and mirror face or plane. Click on front plane. Click OK. And done. Okay, we can see in each corner here have fillet radius in 10, so we can apply fillet. Just click fillet in here and fillet parameter radius in 10 millimeter. Item to fillet just like on this edge, this edge, this edge, this corner edge, this corner, this corner, this corner edge, and the last is this corner edge. Click OK and done like this. So in the middle you can see in the center have like a cylinder, have hole diameter in 15 until this face. So just make a new plane, distance this face and the face in 38. So we can to make new plane with click reference geometry on feature. Select plane and first reference, just click on this face. Offset in here, input in 38 millimeter. Direction to the top, correct in here. Click OK. And now we have new plane, the name is plane 1. Right click on this plane, just click sketch. We can draw two circle from this center. First circle have hole diameter in 15 and second circle have diameter in 32. So just set first circle in 15 millimeter and second circle in 32 millimeter. Click feature and just click extrude boss or base again. Direction we can to reverse direction to bottom in here and change direction in up to next. Just click OK. Don't forget to make hole in here until this face or up to next. So just click again on sketch tree, click extrude cut. For selected contour, just select on this circle or just this sketch. Direction in up to next. Click OK. Now we can see this whole this. We can see from section view, front plan. Click OK, like this. It's easy and simple. Click again on section view. We can hide for this plane and click hide. Right click on this face, just click sketch. Convert entities for this edge. For this edge. Click OK and draw again center rectangle to make flange the top in here. A square 60 and 60. So draw center rectangle. Ensure this line, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this line. Click make equal. Then set for dimension in here in 60 millimeter. Click feature, click extrude boss or base again. Direction we can reverse direction here, but thickness in here in 10 millimeter. So we can select in here in 10 millimeter. Click OK. Input here in 10 millimeter. It's easy. Like before in here, each corner have fillet radius in 10. Just select fillet again in 10 millimeter. Select this edge, this corner edge, this corner edge, and this corner edge. Click OK. And here you can see have fillet also in radius 3. So just select fillet again, change radius in 3 millimeter. Click on this edge and this edge. Click OK. And don't forget here have fillet radius 2. So select fillet, change in 2 millimeter for radius. Just click on this edge. Click OK. And done. It's easy and simple. Now in here have hole diameter in 8.5 in 8 and here have same diameter in 8.5. Thick through in 10 and through in 12. Because thickness in here in 12 and here in 10. So we can to make hole is easy and fast with hole wizard. Click hole wizard in here on feature hole wizard, and hole type you can select in hole, simple hole for standard, for example in ISO and drill size. For size in here you must checklist on show custom sizing, because in here diameter in 8.5. And for end condition select on up to next. Just click positioned, click 3D sketch. Now we can to apply from this point, this center point, and this point, apply on here, and here we can apply from here, apply from here, apply here. Click on this point. You can rotate this part. Click on this point. Click on this point. Click on this point and just click on this point. Click OK and done. It's easy and simple like this. And don't forget to make a rib in here. So right click on the right plane, just click sketch, draw line from here to here, and set for distance this point to this point in here. You can see the total in here in 48, so a half of 48 is 24, so in here in 24 millimeter. And distance this point to this point in here, this center in here, a half of 68 is 34, so in here in 34 millimeter. Then click feature, just click grip. For direction, we can do reverse. Just check this on flip material side. Thickness keep on both sides, but for thickness rip in here in 20 millimeter, just input here in 20 millimeter for rip thickness. Click OK, and done. We can to mirror entities. Sorry, we can to mirror feature, mirror this rip with feature. Just click mirror, and feature to mirror, just select on rip 1, and mirror face or plane, click on front plane. Click OK, and done. It's easy and simple like this. So in here I can apply from thread here M10 by 1.5 for pitch. So just click feature and select on thread. Click OK. Here we can see for thread location we can apply, before for specification, ensure select in metric tab to make inside thread in here. So select in metric tab, and for size select or click on M10 by 1.5 for pitch, because in here M10 by 1.5, in here M10 by 1.5. Then for thread location we can select on this edge, and for end condition we can select on up to selection until this edge. And for offset we can checklist. For example, in here I apply in 2 millimeter reverse direction. In here I apply offset because in here we can to apply from bolt. From here we can to apply bolt, so we can apply from offset. Here for example, in here I apply in 2 millimeter offset until here. So we can also apply offset for end condition, but in here I not apply. Just apply on first on thread location in here. Just click OK, and done. So we can to apply another whole thread like this. So make it like this. You can see. Click again. Thread. Click OK. Thread location in here. And conditioned here. And we can apply like before. Click offset in 2 millimeter. Reverse direction in here. Metric tab, size M10 1.5. Click OK. Click again on thread. Click OK. Thread location from here, and end condition. Click this. And like before, we can to apply offsets in 2 millimeter. Reverse direction. Click OK. Click again, thread. Click OK. Thread location here, and end condition up to selection from here. Just click offset in here in 2 millimeter. Reverse direction. Just click OK. Don't forget in here in 4 hole we can apply thread like before. Thread. OK, the location to here, and up to selection until this. Can apply an offset in 2 mm here. Just click OK. Again on thread, click OK. Thread location, click this edge. Up to selection on this edge. Just click offsets, maybe in 2 mm. Reverse direction, click OK. Click again thread, click OK. Thread selection, this edge, and after selection on this edge. For specification, same in metric tab and size in M10 by 1.5 in here. So of selection, can delete. Thread location from this and end condition in this edge. Apply from offset, reverse direction, just click OK. And the last in here, just click thread, click OK. Location in here, and from end condition this edge, apply offsets, for example in 2 mm, reverse direction, just click OK. And done. It's simple to make thread on hole with hole wizard and to make thread with thread on feature in SolidWorks. So we can do change for the branches. We can select all feature. Click this icon, branches, maybe in metal, for example in polished steel, like this. And done. How to send flanged pipe housing like this in SolidWorks. Okay, we can see again. Can check all, sure, like this. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.